Today, we are going to make an on-the-go craft kit for those moments where you find yourself just waiting around.
Now serving number 11.
Aw, man! So let's work on our stitching. Take recycled paperboard and cut it to make 4 by 4 inch squares. I'm using my paper cutter to cut a line 3/4 of an inch from the edge, going all the way around so that I can cut out the center and have a 2.5 by 2.5 inch square on the inside. Repeat to make 8, stack and glue them together to make an embroidery square. We can decorate it by gluing on a layer of scrapbook paper, and I will need at least 4 binder clips that can be placed on the sides to hold the fabric. Lay out fabric, cut 5.5 by 5.5 inch squares of fabric. I did a variety of colors. I fold them in half and use a binder clip to keep them in place. And I'm gonna change the color of these so everything matches. Cut clear plastic from packaging into long rectangles, round the corners, draw small rectangles on the sides, putting a line between each one, cut on the lines drawn, so we have an indent on both sides and little notches. Place embroidery floss in one of the notches, then wrap it around the indentation. Take the tail end and place it through the other notch. Add different colors for variety. I found this small burlap bag at Michael's. Fill it with fluff, pull the drawstring closed so you have fluff to stuff pillows. Take a pencil and wrap it with washi tape to match. Cut a few rectangles of felt. Cut and glue together 2 layers of recycled paperboard. Place the felt on top and use a binder clip to hold them together. Lift one of the layers of felt, add a couple of pins and needles. Add a small pair of scissors, then store it all in a pencil case. I like using a hard pencil case and a zipper so that I can make sure it's securely closed because we have needles and scissors. Neatly place everything inside, close it, then personalize the outside with stickers. So we have everything we need for a little crafting on the go. Now let's use our kit. Take a square of fabric, remove the clips from the embroidery square, place it onto the center of the fabric, use the pencil to lightly draw a design. Take the fabric, then place it on top of the square, wrap the fabric over the edge, and use a binder clip to hold it in place. Take a needle and some embroidery floss, thread the needle, starting from the back, begin to stitch over the lines. I'm doing a back stitch where I enter the fabric slightly before my last stitch, then go back in right at the beginning of the last one. This allows me to make a continuous line all the way across. Add perpendicular lines right over that smile. When I get to the end, tie and knot the string on the other side. Use the scissors to trim off the excess. Begin stitching again at the nose, following the line drawn with a small back stitch. I can see a little white in the center, so I make another stitch to fill it in. Do the other one, then begin stitching around the eyes. I'm using small stitches to try to keep my lines neat. Then begin stitching straight across in neat lines to fill in the space. Repeat for the other eye. Once sewn, take it off of the square. Place a square of a coordinating fabric on top. This is 3 inches by 3 inches. Sew a straight stitch around the edge, leaving a small opening. Use the scissors to trim off the excess fabric. Turn it inside out. Add fluff, sew the opening closed to make a jack skeleton pillow. On a piece of black fabric, I sew straight lines using a back stitch to make pinstripes for a pillow inspired by his suit. Use the pillows to decorate the dollhouse for the season. With this on-the-go craft kit, our dollhouse will be ready for any time of year. And these on-the-go craft kits make a great gift idea. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
We want to give a shout out to Bree Bear. What's up? Almost done with another pillow. I can't believe you made all of this while sitting here. Hey, do you have another one of those craft kits? Sorry, no, but I can make you one when we get out of here. What number are you? 184? I'm number 200 and something.
Now serving number 20.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait on that craft kit.